Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. That the land of the petitioners was situated on main Barwala Agroha road and was having great potential and was suitable for residential, commercial and industrial purposes. Stop. It was further averred that the prescribed authority had not given any basis for determining the compensation for the acquisition of rights of user of the land of the petitioners at such a low rate, which was based only on the data supplied by respondents number 1 and 4. Stop. It was further averred that the impugned award was not speaking one and it lacks reasoning, that the prescribed authority erred in not taking into account the location of the site, fertility and kind of the land, and had also not taken into consideration the value of the adjacent land, that the prescribed authority had not given any notice to the petitioners regarding the proposed acquisition of right of the user of the land, that the petitioners came to know about the impugned award only after receipt of checks in lieu of the amount of compensation which were issued by the respondents, that the petitioners were deprived of their valuable rights to file the objections against the notices as well as award, that the procedure of issuing the notification, taking the possession and enquiry before the award was contrary to the provisions of the act, that the prescribed authority did not award any compensation in respect of the standing structures. Stop. With these averments, a prayer was made for acceptance of the petitions and setting aside of award. Stop. On notice, the respondents appeared. Stop. Respondents number 2 and 3 filed written statement contesting the petitions wherein they look preliminary objections to the effect that the petitions are false, frivolous and the same are liable to be dismissed, that the petitions are not maintainable in the present form, that the petitioners are stopped from filing the present petitions by their own act and conduct, that the petitioners have no cause of action or locus standi to file the present petitions, that the petitions of the petitioners are bad on account of misjoinder and non-joinder of necessary parties, that the petitioners have not come to the court with clean hands and they have suppressed the true and material facts from the court, that this court has no jurisdiction to try and decide the present petition, and that the petitioners have not complied with the provisions of the act and rules made thereunder. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner argued that the petitioner performed marriage with Priyanka was same as that of his grandmother, and due to which they were threatened by the family members, which resulted into his deserting the house, for which petitioner also sought security, and from the court of Miss Raj Rahul Garg, learned sessions judge, Canal Police, protection was granted to the petitioner. Stop. The copy of said order was also placed on the file. Stop. Similarly, application was moved to the Superintendent of Police, Hisar on 19/1/2013. Copy of newspaper was also placed on record, in which it was reported that the Sarpanch, father of the petitioner, and some relatives are pressuring the petitioner for separating himself from his wife. Stop over.